Good day, this is Joseph here and welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. And tonight I just want to quickly go over three of the charts that we're following today. So we're following Bitcoin, Ethereum, MATIC, Cardano, XRP, and one of the extra coins. But while Bitcoin is still going up, there's not really going to be much happening at the altcoins. So how crypto works: when money starts to flow into crypto, usually money will either flow into Bitcoin and then into Ethereum. And as those two keep on pumping up, no money will flow to the altcoins. But as soon as Bitcoin and Ethereum can start to go sideways for at least a period of a week or two, then some of the money will start to flow from Bitcoin and from Ethereum into the other altcoins. So that's why right now we are trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as soon as Bitcoin has reached some of its targets and it started to stabilize, then we'll start to put some money into some of the altcoins. Okay, so let's get into the charts. Okay, so first of all, I want to look at this Bitcoin chart. Now, the first thing, these targets was my targets that I were running for this last week. What I was thinking is that Bitcoin will break the 22,800 target, and then it will go to 25,200. So that was the targets that I set last week already. What I want Bitcoin to do, I want Bitcoin to go up a little bit, come back, hit support, and then hit its target there on a $25,000 level. Let me just open up this chart a little bit and just make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to understand. Let's delete that line over here. Okay, so Bitcoin hit at 21,400, it got resistance, it broke through, and then it hit that 22,800 target. Now, there's one or two things that can happen. The one thing that can happen, it hit this 22,800 target, it can come back, bounce to 21,400 target, and then go up to 25,200. Another option of what could possibly happen, and that's what I think is probably more likely to happen in this scenario, is that, let me just redraw that for you. This is that Bitcoin can go up a little bit and then come back, test this 22,800 target, and then go up to the 25,000. And this is the area where we want Bitcoin to stabilize so that the altcoins can catch up with Bitcoin. Now, when I look at Ethereum, again, you're going to see in Ethereum a similar situation. So these are my targets that I put in for us. And, last time I had these targets, 1600 and 6050, and I hit both of them exactly just as I predicted. And so now my expectation is now for where this 1600 was a resistance level to become a support level. You can see how it's catching support there. So what I think will happen is Bitcoin is coming down now and it's testing the 1600 level, and then it's going to break through. It could possibly pull back a little bit again to the 1650 level, and then go all the way up to the 1700, and then this again is where I would like to see Ethereum going sideways for at least 2 weeks, so we can see some finances and money move into the altcoins area. So I would say, once we pull back and we find another support or close above 1600, then you can consider probably a possible buy scenario up to 1750. Not fireworks, but this is what's actually happening in an upwards trending market. Okay, now one of the coins that I'm really excited about is MATIC. So in a MATIC coin, let me just pull this together. So you can see there's these two targets that we working towards. The first target was this $1 target, and it hit it both now. So if this level can hold, then we can possibly move to the 1500 target. Now, if you go and look back here in history, you can see in this area, this is where we hit that $1.15 target, and then in that area is where we hit the $1.25 target. And so that's two very, very important targets. So what I expect would happen is that MATIC would go up. It would find support on the $1 level again, and then would go up to the $1.15, and then possibly bounce again, and then go all the way up to $1.25. And so in this area, that's where I would like to see MATIC go sideways, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so once this level is solidly in, then MATIC will then do a second leg to the upside. So guys, I don't have a very hard a trade for us right now. We know that somewhere along here is going to be a trap where people are going to buy too high, and then Bitcoin is going to pull back. And so the question is, where will Bitcoin pull back? You know, I don't actually think that Bitcoin will pull back right now. Let me just pull my chart. You know, many expect Bitcoin to pull way down to this 1820 level again. I believe that Bitcoin first will go up to the $25,000 level, and then will sit there and go sideways. And then that could be possibly a trap for people that want to buy leg number 2 for Bitcoin to come down. But there is so much positive momentum in the market right now. You know, the inflow of money into Bitcoin is just incredible. Alright guys, this was a short video that I did for you today. So I'm going to be back tomorrow, and we'll probably do a little bit of a longer analysis and give you very specific trade signals. I right now have 2 buy signals, or buy trades in. I got a buy in Ethereum, and I got a buy in Bitcoin, and I'm going to stick it out for the next leg to the upside. And let's hold our thumbs that the market plays along. Have a fantastic evening. Deon is going to be back tomorrow morning with some trading signals. Thank you.